Hey everyone, welcome back to Shib Binance collaboration, which explains how holders of Shiba Inu coins become millionaires and how to prepare ready to never work again. Reports from the developer refer to Shiba Eternity as the new burn avenue, in line with Shoshiro Kusama's suggestions for strengthening the shibainu token burning campaign. As soon as the game's blockchain version launches, we'll discuss in this video how Binance's partnership with Shiba Coin makes its holders millionaires. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content on expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inus. Now let's start the video. Shiba Inu is one of the tokens that turned green on September 19th, following a gory weekend session that saw the meme token continue its downward leg just below 0.0010. The Australian launch of the Shiba Eternity card game did not have a favorable effect on the price. If Shib regains support at 0.179, this might pave the door for a descending triangle pattern breakout and a long-term, sustainable rebound. The highly anticipated Shiba Everlasting card game became live on iOS over the weekend in Australia, and creators are already working on an Android version that should launch in a few days. After the blockchain version is launched, the true question is, where will you be on download day? Shib Army, there will be burns from the game period. Upcoming details will explain why Shiba Eternity is powerful, challenging, and fantastic for Shiba Inu Shoshiro holders and Sharam. On September 17, Shoshiro Kusama announced via Twitter that the Shibu burn rate had reached a new record high, with approximately 61 to 19,300 worth of Shib destroyed last week alone. This has resulted in a 42% increase in the burn rate in the last 24 hours. 9 transactions have been announced via Twitter despite the skyrocketing burn rate. The Shibu price broke out of the support of a descending triangle pattern at the 0.00105 cushion. Chip price began buying after its bearish candle wick tagged a low of 0.0000000,999 on September 18, which explains the meme token's optimistic outlook on Monday. Chip price is now 46.1% below the breakout point at 0.1178. Until the breakthrough point at 0.178 is recaptured, the Shib's new upswing will remain unstable, otherwise, losses might increase to $0.000000632, or 46.1%. Using the same daily chart, the moving average convergence indicates a negative indication. Indicator of divergence: if the MACD keeps revealing unfavorable information about the price, the shibainu price will inevitably trend south. The possible support levels are 0.999 and 0.850. Should the situation warrant it, a dip to 0.632 would test the IMAP by entering the block, which would likely halt the bullish trend in the Shiba Inu price and expose a strong resistance area between 0.0011 and 0.0012. Prior to the interruption, 12,700 addresses combined 50.76 trillion SHIB tokens. This zone is extremely unlikely since holders there may sell at their individual prices as the value of Shiba Inu recovers. Equitable points strengthening the opposition Shibu holders are at last seeing some respite after their token became the most recent casualty of the cryptocurrency downturn. Important upgrades to the Shiba ecosystem have arrived, as reported by Shoshiro Kusama. Kusama claims the updates will be fantastic for Shiba. Sharam and Shoshiro holders, may this upcoming download day be the ideal chance for Shiba Inu to recover? The company is struggling in the present environment, even after the September 19 crypto bloodbath. Shib Holdings is witnessing odd happenings among the biggest cryptocurrency giants. According to a recent update on whale monitoring sites, the top 5,000 Ethereum whales are valued at $143.6 million in SHIBs. In light of this, the Shiba Inu burning portal shipper has noted the accelerating rate at which SHIB tokens are burning. Over the course of the last 8 days, over 550 million SHIB tokens have been sent to a dead wallet. Last week, the burn rate reached a 4-digit level. On September 16, the token burned nearly 200 million coins, and the burn rate spiked by nearly 3,000%. Despite these upbeat sentiments, the markets appear on the daily chart. Bleak SHIB was down more than 11% at 0.106, and on the weekly scale, it was down more than 20% overall. In addition, the market's negative emotion has caused the trading volume on Shiba Inu to decline, reaching its lowest level since June 5, compared to the previous few days 157.48 centimeters. Almost 284 billion SHIB were traded at a loss, although this has been the SHIB token's overall trend over the past month. With Milan Fashion Week quickly approaching, Sir John Richmond, an official business partner of Shiba Inu, is prepared to create a stir with his latest collection and a ton of exciting news. Famous English designer John Richmond, who is based in Italy, recently tweeted that he is prepared to present his new collection during the upcoming Milan Fashion Week, which begins on September 20, 2022. Additionally, Shiba Inu's official IR business partner piqued the interest of the shibainu community by promising to reveal a ton of exciting news during the event and by asking the community what they anticipate from this fashion week. According to John Richmond, Milan Fashion Week is quickly approaching, and the city is already developing. What are your expectations for this fashion week? BuzzSir #John Richmond is preparing to present his new collection, and there will be a ton of exciting news soon. The inventor of Shiba Inu currency, Rashi, first proposed Shib as a blockchain layer 2 solution. After it launches, SHIB tokens will be moved to the L2. When Rashi first mentioned blockchain, it was most likely an L2 built on top of an already existing blockchain. The SHIB the creator claimed there is little difference between an owned blockchain and an L2. I mean, what exactly distinguishes BSC from Matic L2? It's important to note that Shib is not the company's blockchain and that a Shiba Inu 2.0 token is not on the horizon. SHIB's Ethereum connection will not end. Reducing transaction costs for people using the Shiba ecosystem will be one of the main objectives. Speaking on the Shiba Discord, Washi initially stated that Shib's transaction costs will be negligible, if not zero. Kusama Shosher, according to the Shiba project lead, Shib will charge minimal fees for each service game or expansion that enhances it. The cryptocurrency was struggling against the overall gloomy trend. Fortunately, the market saw Shiba Inu break through the odd and record excellent growth in March. According to CoinMarketCap statistics, it showed a 20% spike last week. On the other hand, SHIB Army is also working to resurrect SHIB in the public eye. This Shiba rally in 2022 was a big surprise to many cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Although SHIB didn't disappoint the investors despite the bear takeover, the market wasn't expecting the beginning of the bull run in March. Shiba Inu has now managed to pare up some of the losses made this year and is already above its 20 and 50-day exponential moving averages. It still needs to keep up the pace to break its temporary resistance level, but predictions state SHIB could record a 100% return. Constant burnings and newly added features in the Shiba Inu ecosystem are expected to pump more value this year, which is why investors are already staking up the Shiba Inu token before it could go on a 2021-like rally. This month, in addition to fashion businesses like John Richmond announcing SHIB and leash burns to boost the token's value, Spike the Inu made its debut on Netcoins, an online cryptocurrency brokerage that makes it simple to purchase, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies in Canada. Large quantities of Shiba Inu coins are also being purchased by anonymous whales. On March 30th alone, the top whales secured almost 621 billion SHIBs. A forecast about Shiba Inu made by the AI-using crypto research company Talon has garnered attention from the community. The company projects that Shib will reach a maximum of $961 by 2050 after studying the thorough analysis. This brings us to the end of the day. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to watch our most recent stuff. Shib is predicted to touch a new high at AG by 2025 as a result of the availability of Bitcoin, according to analysts.